Hey guys, how you doing? So in this video, Doug and I did a few tiny little projects, small little improvements on the van. And he also built me a nice little table for my bedroom, so I thought I'd throw that in there too. It kind of jumps around because, well, he was doing stuff, I was doing stuff. So, thanks for watching. Hi guys. So today Doug and I are doing a little project. We are building a little table to put right there, just so it's right inside my room. I can put my keys on and stuff. I just have that table there for now. I have some nice wood left over from this shelf here. I really like the pattern on it. So I'll have just enough to make a table with the tabletop and a little shelf down below. So these are the two pieces that I have left. So just be that size. That's the perfect size for over there because there's not much room to walk, so that'll be perfect. All I need is the legs. It looks better all matching.
Select in this direction. How do you want them in this direction? About a 3/4 inch reveal around it.
Is that how you make it?
Yep. You can make it any size you want. You can make it closer to the edge or further in. You do it 1/2 inch instead of 3/4.
Whatever's easiest, doesn't matter.
No.
And the reveal is the distance from this edge to where the leg is?
From that edge into the frame.
Oh, okay. I got on the forums about this Chinese heater, and it looks like when it gets down to temperature, it doesn't totally shut off, it just goes on low, kind of like standby, so there is a little bit of heat still coming out. I guess that's normal for these heaters. It does have this cool little keychain remote thing, which is kind of easier. The buttons are easier to put on and off than the actual screen. I'll just have to keep this handy, and if it get too warm, shut it off or put the fan on or something. I think once it's consistently cold, like in the 30s or 40s, then having it run all night will probably be fine. So this has just off and on and just plus and minus to put the temperature up and down.
It's just a 1/16 inch lip. This adds the character.
So you might have heard me mention that ever since we switched the new toilet, somehow I was missing the little pee bucket. It was either splashing over or totally missing it. I don't know how. So the only difference between this toilet and the last is that this one is a little higher. So I thought maybe I just need to raise the pee bucket closer to me so it won't miss. And it seems to be working. So all I did was, besides the board that Doug made, I just got a couple pieces of scrap plywood, maybe a 1/2 inch thick each, and I just put that there, and then the bag. So it raised this pea bucket up just enough so it was like it was before, so now it's not spilling over or splashing or whatever it was doing. So that's another problem solved. I'm loving this new toilet. So this is the old table. That's a new one. Much bigger. This was kind of bouncing around whenever we moved, and it was just tapping a little bit. So I just added a little bit of Velcro to the back so I could press it there, and now it won't jiggle around. And I did the same thing here. So I purchased this cheap little extra cup holder, so that way we could put more things in cups over here. It was kind of an impulse buy. It's kind of cheap. I don't recommend it. So it's kind of wobbly, so trying to put something here you didn't really feel very secure with it. So Doug had to over-engineer something. I told him I was going to put like a peanut butter cap under this Bluetooth speaker, so that way I could rest this here and then it would be stronger and more secure. But of course Doug had to over-engineer something, and he shaped a block down there and cut this hole for this, and that goes right there. So 3 hours later, now I have a safe place to put more drinks. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Take care.